As of March 2021, there has been one attempt to impeach U.S. President Joe Biden. On January 21, 2021, Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene launched an effort to impeach Biden for alleged actions during his tenure as vice president, related to the Biden-Ukraine conspiracy theory. In February 2020, shortly after the first impeachment trial of Donald Trump had concluded, Iowa Senator Joni Ernst suggested that if Biden were elected, he could be impeached due to alleged dealings with Ukraine. I think this door of impeachable whatever has been opened. Joe Biden should be very careful what he's asking for because, we can have a situation where if it should ever be President Biden, that immediately, people, right the day after he would be elected would be saying, well, we are going to impeach him. An inquiry by two Republican-controlled Senate committees released 6 weeks before the 2020 presidential election found no wrongdoing by Biden. On January 13, 2021, newly elected Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene stated that she would file articles of impeachment against Joe Biden alleging abuse of power on January 21, 2021, the day after Biden's inauguration, further stating in an interview that, "We cannot have a president of the United States that is willing to abuse the power of the presidency and be easily bought off by foreign governments, Chinese energy companies, Ukrainian energy companies." Greene claims that the presidential election was stolen by Biden and the Democrats, and that Donald Trump won by a landslide. She was a fierce proponent of various conspiracy theories related to attempts to overturn the 2020 United States presidential election. The claims made by Greene are based on the Biden-Ukraine conspiracy theory, a series of discredited claims centered on the false allegation that while Joe Biden was vice president of the United States, he engaged in corrupt activities relating to the employment of his son Hunter Biden by Ukrainian gas company Burisma. Greene filed articles of impeachment less than 30 hours into Biden's term. Greene alleged that Joe Biden will do whatever it takes to bail out his son, Hunter, and line his family's pockets with cash from corrupt foreign energy companies, accusing Biden of abusing his power during his tenure as vice president by allowing his son Hunter to siphon cash from foreign powers such as Russia and China. It has been noted of Greene's effort, however, that here is no indication the impeachment inquiry has any momentum in the Democrat-controlled House of Representatives. Biden has denied being involved in U.S. foreign policy related to his son's work. A Senate Republican investigation in 2020 found no evidence of wrongdoing. Hearing witness testimony that rebutted those charges. On February 4, 2021, Greene was removed from all committee assignments for incendiary remarks she had made before her election. In February 2021, Congressman Devin Nunes, the ranking member of the House Intelligence Committee, remarked that he believed that there would be a good chance that, if Republicans win a majority in the House during the 2022 elections, the party would receive pressure to impeach Biden. Nunes pointed to possible future developments regarding a laptop purported to have belonged to Hunter Biden and the ongoing inquiry by John Durham into the origins of the FBI's investigation of Russian interference in the 2016 United States elections as two potential sources for future calls for impeachment of Biden. Others who have publicly discussed the possibility of Republicans impeaching Biden if they win the House during the 2022 elections include political strategist Steve Bannon,